So let's start with the discussion of the art and culture. So there are 5 questions in the art and culture this year, and last year it was 4 questions, and in 2019 it was 6 questions, and we are getting the question from class notes only. Okay, this year also out of 5, 4 are straightly from the class notes question. So let's start with the discussion. So first one is the with reference to the Indian, the terms Halbi, Ho and the Kui pertains to. Answer will be tribal language. Answer will be tribal language, because if you see the Ho is the Munda language. It's a Munda language. Okay. The Halbi is the Eastern Indo-Aryan group, and this is the Austric group. This is the Austric group. So answer will be tribal languages, D. The next question is, and you see, if we have in the class we have discussed this Kui language. We have discussed this Kui language, and you can easily answer the question. The next one is the with reference to the history of the ancient India, Bhavbhuti, Hastimala and the Chhemashra. ये जो हैं, इन पे ये दोनों सब क्या हैं? These all are the playwrights. These all are the playwrights. इनके कुछ famous play हैं. That is उत्तम चरित्रा and Mahavira Charitra. Okay, so answer will be playwrights. Answer will be playwrights. And if you'll see the thing, then we have already discussed this in the class also. The classroom student can easily guess कि हाँ, we have discussed this Bhavbhuti, and आप इसके हिसाब से क्या करो, you can easily mark the answer. You can easily mark the answer. The next one is the which one of the following statement is correct, and this is the beautiful question, and this is because of the cave. They are also considering the river system with the, or this we have discussed in the class also, that Ajanta cave is lies in the Waghora river and it is in the Sahyadri range. It is in the Sahyadri range. Sahyadri range में है, Waghora river है. Answer will be A. सांची अगर आप देखोगे, this is near the Betwa. Panduleni if you देखोगे, that is a different river, and the Amravati जो stupa है, that is of the mostly Krishna river. If you have to go with the answer, then in between of the Krishna Godavari, but answer will be mostly क्या होगा? Krishna river will be the main answer, and this Panduleni you can say this is in the Gomai river. That is the Gomai river. Okay, and if you'll see the slides that we have discussed in the class, the first line says the rock cut cave in the Sahyadri ranges on the Waghora river. So you can straightly answer the question. ठीक है. The next one is the with reference to the 64 Yogini temple situated near the Morena, consider the following statement. ठीक है. We have already say कि whenever there is only or there is an absolute term, then you have to go for that. Most of the time it will be incorrect. And if you go read the second statement, it is the only circular temple built in India, and if you mark it incorrect, let's say you don't know, you are not aware of the question, you are not aware of the topic, then also you get the answer, that is 1 and 4. That is 1 and 4. And in the class we have discussed about this कि 64 Yogini temple जो है, when we have discussing the modern architecture, then we have discussed the parliament is inspired from the 64 Yogini temple, and we have already discussed that 64 Yogini temple is not only in the MP or the Morena, this is also in the Odisha and many other places. Okay, this is not limited to the MP. So द नेक्स्ट अदर मैं जो चीज़ें वो डिस्कस नहीं करो, तो ये स्टेटमेंट हम ऑलरेडी क्लास में हम इसी तरीके से पढ़ते हैं. दिस ईयर ऑल्सो वी हैव रेड, एंड एवरी ईयर वी आर रीडिंग दिस, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द क्लास नोट्स. इफ यू सी वी यूज दिस स्लाइड. ठीक है, कि दिस इज द for the comparison we use this slide, that this is the 64 Yogini temple and this is your parliament. You can easily say कि this the fourth statement is correct, and this is somehow inspired from this particular thing. The next question is the consider the following pairs. This question we are aware of the Ganeshwar we discuss in the OCP, that is ochre color pottery, and this is near the Khetri mines. Khetri mines is in Rajasthan. It is in Rajasthan. Khetri mine is famous for copper, so obviously copper artifact should be the correct one. The second option is the Chandra Ketugarh. This is in West Bengal. The site was first discovered in around 1907. Then the excavation was started, but it was somehow delayed. In 2014 it was in news. In 2017 again it was in news, 17-18, and that's why we used to say that in art and culture UPSC may ask 2 or 3 years back of the current affairs also. So Chandraketu Garh is also correct. And if you go with the Burj Home, so Burj Home is a Neolithic site and this is in Kashmir. So it will not be the rock cut shrine. It cannot be the rock cut shrine. Answer will be 2 and 3. Answer will be 2 and 3. And if you'll see, okay, so this will be the discussion of the art and culture. Okay, so almost 4.5 questions are from directly from the notes. So focus on your notes and study it.